Would it be possible to bake pottery with a microwave oven? When LG offered a challenge to bake pottery using a microwave oven, I thought it was an impossible idea. However, with the powerful yet precise smart inverter function of NeoChef, I thought it might just be possible after all. Will it evenly bake every inch of the pottery, inside and out? It's baked perfectly. I wondered, how well would NeoChef serve its original purpose of cooking a delicious dish? It's amazing. Design your taste. NeoChef.